Vision, a transformative learning institution producing globally competitive graduates. Mission: to deliver quality education in dynamic instruction, relevant researches, and sustainable extension. Programs gearing towards socio-economic development. Core values: M. Moral uprightness. O. Optimism. N. Nationalism. C. Compassion. A. Adaptability. S. Service. T. Teamwork. Goals: 1. Produce competent graduates. 2. Foster strong linkages and networks. 3. Synergize human capital.